I'm Ben with the BTC Sessions, and this is your Bullish Bit, brought to you by CoinKite.com, bringing you the best hardware to secure your Bitcoin. The Cold Card Q, the Tab Signer, the Block Log, and plenty more goodies can be found over at CoinKite.com. Use code BTC Sessions for a nice discount at checkout.
I think the most important reason that I'm bullish is because inevitably Bitcoin is gonna fucking wreck you very bad. To whatever degree that is up to your choices, but no matter what, you're gonna have a negative experience with Bitcoin at some point in your journey. And what makes me bullish is that in spite of some of the horrific pain that Bitcoin has the ability to cause, we all are still here, and we all still show up, and we all still build businesses, build channels, write books, create content for what's next, for the people that are coming next, and for the future, and for our own families, and for everyone there. So it's something crazy that it's a world that can just fucking cause so much pain, and yet you still show up and just fucking crush it because you understand that it's all just timing, and like when you entered and the decisions you made, and you get better at timing and you get better at your decision making. And inevitably, on a long enough timeline, we all become the angels and the VCs to the next wave of whatever Bitcoin needs, because many of us have heard the OG stories that are one of my favorites is Dave Bradley selling 140 Bitcoins for furniture or whatever the number was for his offices. Many guys I know that spent 10,000 Bitcoins paying off cars, houses, or things like that. Just many, many mistakes. But we hear all of these stories while we look at our own stack of 0.01, 0.1, 1 Bitcoin, 10 Bitcoin, whatever it is. And yet somehow we cannot connect that we are living through the exact fucking same situation. In my personal opinion, there is no difference at all on entering Bitcoin today and entering Bitcoin 5 years ago and entering Bitcoin 10 years ago. You're still going to go through the same horrible mistakes, and you're still going to not respect your fucking Bitcoin soon enough. I don't think there's a way, no matter what I say, no matter anybody that comes on any of these shows or anybody you hear talk about or tell their stories, it's kind of like the inflation thing. I sold fucking 500 Bitcoin into a bad fucking business deal. I fucking sold 10 Bitcoin into this. I did this, whatever the fuck the numbers are. You don't realize we're running through the same equation over and over and over again. And like, whatever the size of your stack is, respect that fucking coin, man. Respect it. Because if you don't fucking respect that money, it will punish you to the same degree that every OG you've ever looked up to has fucking told you over and over and over again